It's Good Day New Mexico with Mariana Arate.
We're turning back time this morning and busting the age-old beauty myths. Let's get some secrets from Family Circle Fashion and Beauty Director Linda Moran Evans. Linda, let's face it, many of us want to look younger. We want even-toned skin, firmer skin, smoother skin. Yeah. We want to look like we were back in our 20s.
Yes, absolutely. And we did an anti-aging survey with our readers this year and went to them to find out what their biggest skin concerns were. And they were they came up with wrinkles as their #1 issue. So we went to top dermatologists to find out how to treat and prevent and see what we really could do. And for day, to prevent, you just use a sunscreen, an SPF 30 no less, and use it every day, even in the winter time. But for evening, the tweak here is to use a retinoid or an aminopeptide product into your regimen, so that both of these type of products actually rev up cell turnover, and they also stimulate collagen. So a product that we love is Olay Regenerist Regenerating Serum. It actually regenerates and is really gentle. So we suggest that for readers, and plus some of the other big things were dark circles and puffiness, brown spots, acne, dry skin. So I think I'll just start with dark circles if you don't mind. Dark circles, our little tiny blood vessels will kind of show through that translucent skin. It's the most delicate skin around the eye. And so look for products that have caffeine. Caffeine it actually diminishes the darkness. And also for puffiness, look for products that have green tea, antioxidants. They kind of decompress, soothe, and keep those bags from bagging too much. Some of the dermatologists suggest that you put the lotions and creams into the refrigerator because the coolness will be soothing to that area, and also the cold can diminish and tighten that looser skin. And as far as brown spots go, actually that's from sun exposure. So you need to look for a product that has glycolic type formula in it, and that would exfoliate the skin and smooth it and make the skin tone much more evened out. And a product that we love for this is Olay, a new Regenerist Night Resurfacing Elixir. In about 7 days, they say, and you'll see a big difference. And actually, it's like a light chemical peel, and it's $30. So it's a great product to know about.
We have the Family Circle. You can pick this up at newsstands now. We can focus on acne and dry skin. You can read more about it. It's available in this month's issue of Family Circle. Thank you, Linda, for your time. We've got to say goodbye to you right now.
Thank you so much.